Welcome to Bedside Confidence. Get smart where it matters most, between the sheets.
Top 5 Secrets to Mind-Blowing Orgasms for Females. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to truly incredible intimacy? Today, we're diving into one of the most rewarding aspects of a relationship, helping your partner experience mind-blowing orgasms. Forget the myths and guesswork. We've got the top 5 secrets that will make a real difference. Stick around, because these tips are game changers. Secret number 1. The power of foreplay. Our first secret is something that's often overlooked or rushed. Foreplay. Think of it as setting the stage for an amazing performance. It's not just a prelude. It's crucial for building arousal and increasing the likelihood of orgasm. For many women, direct penetration alone isn't enough. Foreplay allows her body and mind to fully engage. This means kissing, touching, caressing, and exploring her erogenous zones. And not just the obvious ones. Pay attention to her reactions. What does she enjoy? What makes her pulse quicken? Communication is key here, but you can also learn a lot from her nonverbal cues. Don't treat foreplay as a chore. Make it a sensual journey of discovery for both of you. This works for me personally. Watch till the end to know more what I personally like the most. Secret number 2. Focus on the clitoris. This might seem obvious, but it's surprising how often it's not given enough attention or the right kind of stimulation. For the vast majority of women, direct or indirect clitoral stimulation is essential for orgasm. It's packed with nerve endings and is the primary source of pleasure for most. Forget the idea that penetration alone will do the trick. Incorporate manual or oral stimulation of the clitoris before, during, and even after intercourse. Experiment with different pressures and rhythms to see what she likes best. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback. Does this feel good? Do you want more or less pressure? Can make all the difference. Secret number 3. Communication is king. Our third secret is perhaps the most important. Open and honest communication. You're not a mind reader, and neither is she. Creating a safe space where you can both talk openly about your desires, preferences, and what feels good is crucial for sexual satisfaction. Encourage her to guide you during sex. Moans, gasps, and verbal cues can be incredibly helpful. Don't take negative feedback personally. See it as an opportunity to learn and improve. A little guidance can go a long way in helping her reach orgasm. Secret number 4. Vary the pace and pressure. Variety is the spice of life, and that definitely applies to the bedroom. Don't get stuck in a predictable routine. Experiment with different speeds, pressures, and types of touch. What might feel amazing at one moment might become less exciting at another moment. Think of it like a dance, sometimes slow and sensual, other times faster and more intense. Pay attention to her body language. Is she arching her back? Is her breathing becoming shallow? These can be signs that she's nearing orgasm, and you might want to maintain or slightly increase the current stimulation. Don't be afraid to pause or change tactics altogether. Sometimes a brief break can heighten anticipation. Incorporate different parts of your body. Your hands, mouth, even your entire body can be used to create pleasurable sensations. Secret number 5. Patience and presence. Our final secret is all about being present in the moment and exercising patience. Every woman is different, and sometimes orgasm takes time. Don't put pressure on her or yourself to reach a climax quickly. Focus on the connection and the pleasure of the experience itself. Be fully engaged with her. Put away distractions and be attuned to her needs. Enjoy the journey of exploration together. Sometimes the anticipation and build-up can be just as rewarding as the orgasm itself. Remember, it's not a race to the finish line. It's about creating a pleasurable and intimate experience for both of you. So there you have it, our top 5 secrets to bringing a woman to orgasm. Remember, the key is to be attentive, communicative, and willing to experiment. By focusing on foreplay, clitoral stimulation, open communication, varying your techniques, and being patient and present, you'll be well on your way to creating incredible sexual experiences for your partner. Now, let me tell you what I really liked the most. It's the second one, the clitoral stimulation. I usually end up going crazy when a guy do it to me. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more relationship and intimacy advice. What are your experiences? Share your thoughts in the comments below. You can also share what on the steps mentioned in the video would you love to do with me. I'll wait for your comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.